a button on the left which enables you to see analysis after you've asked a question. So the question I played with in trying to get you to see how this model works is, can I submit a contractual dispute both for litigation and for arbitration? So if you click analysis, then it comes out with a kind of legal opinion explaining the leading provisions of law, the ones that carry the most weight, and the cases that decide on the provisions of law. And then it seems to have the ability to rank the weight of the authority accordingly. And then here you will see a few bubbles showing that different paragraphs does different things. So first, it starts with statement of law cited from the identified legal instruments and the judgments. And then in the middle of the page, it analyzes the implication of decisions which it has identified as being not in accordance with the mainstream decisions. And then further, it summarizes the legal position deduced from the analysis. So I go to the next page. So there is another icon to click into, and that shows you the case law. Now, in the previous page where you have the legal statement set out, there are already little footnotes, which are kind of semi-transparent, and you click in those footnotes, and that's where you get the case from which the legal statement was deduced. And then this page, you can see that if you click into the case, then you will see the facts in one column, and then the opinion of the court in another column with the relevant passage already extracted, and then the outcome on the third column. And then this is still the current beta version. It has an icon which says associated questions. So instead of just confining itself to the first question that I typed into it to test the process, it already comes up with a list of questions which may be relevant to the first questions asked. And then you have all these different areas, and then the first emboldened title says basic concepts, litigation and arbitration. So if you need basic concept explained, and that's where it is. And then the second part deals with requirements for commencing dual procedure for remedy. And then the third part talks about litigation and arbitration procedure and consequences. So this is the kind of research platform for China law, of course, that is being used quite happily by lawyers. But the next thing which is said to be coming is a different, it's just kind of enhanced version. Basically what it does is that if you ask a question like a layman, and here the example used by the producer of the video was, I want a divorce. We have a daughter, and I want, I want a divorce, we have a daughter, and I want to fight for custody of the child. So the AI model asks these questions. So, okay, well, I need to know whether you are in a registered marriage, and so there's a picture shown of the marriage certificate. Do you have this document? And then the answer comes, and then there will be further questions asked of the person answering the question, and then it goes on. And from this model, one can see that the line of reasoning is very clear. It tries to eliminate factors which could affect the question of validity of the marriage and the right to custody of the child. And then it gradually funnels to the correct answer after analyzing the answers given by the person by the person asking the question. So I think what this shows us is that the uses to be put to this model is limitless, really. It could help lawyers, it could help laymen, it could help judges and arbitrators. But more importantly, I think we will come to see this reasoned AI or explainable AI becoming more used and usable in terms of facilitating